There are totally 5 writ petitions.
Yes.
I think the common prayer in all the writ petitions is for a investigation by CBI.
Yes.
Correct?
My lord.
And apart from that, some writ petitions, your case, you want installation of CCTV camera,
Yes.
then resting place,
Yes.
washroom.
Yes. And impleading, my lord, the erstwhile principal and the erstwhile MSVP also a party to the proceeding.
There is somebody mentioned yesterday stating that something needs to be done to the doctors who are on strike because the hospital is not able to function.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Item number 5.
Item
That
5.
is item number 5. I mentioned that. This is the thing is going on, and that has to be looked into. Because yesterday 2 patients has been
Problem
died.
is, sir,
Two more today. What will be happen? We don't.
but then the doctors are not implemented in any capacity.
My lord, I am pointing out that the not doctor, that the state of machineries or any other authorities
No, but then
may
they
be
need to
directed
talk to them.
protect
No?
the patient at least.
See, you should look to the other side also. Of course, it is true that the patients are suffering because the doctors are not are on strike. It is not a phenomena in West Bengal alone. It has spread to the other states.
Yes, yes, all over the India.
So this situation is anomalous situation. But at the same time, you need to also take note of their feeling. If one of their colleagues has been so brutally been dealt with, so their feeling also needs to be appreciated. So for which, if suppose there is some association or something, if they can be implemented, if you give the name, we can suo moto implement them. We can put them on notice. 1 or 2 of them can come here to court. They need not even engage a lawyer. We will appeal to them. At least for the sake of the patients,
Right.
something can be done. What is the state doing, Mr. Banerjee?
As far as the investigation is concerned, a thorough, transparent investigation is on. And I use the word transparent because the family is updated constantly by the highest officers of the police force about the progress that is being made.
No, the parents are also before us.
If your lordship so desires, I shall not, for the purpose investigation, I would not, because your lordship kindly see that social media is full of incorrect statements. Not the problem of social incorrect, even in one of the writ petitions, not one boy's name has been taken. Social media is flashing the picture of one boy. He is a boy from humble background in the district of Bankura. He is very much present over here. His picture is being flashed that he's missing.
That we can't do anything.
That is only
we can't gag the press. No,
may I only this is not gagging the press. May I say this? We have a helpline. I'm giving the number of that. Anybody has
sir, at the end of the day, the parents who are now before court, keep alone Mr. Bakshi's case or whoever is it, the leader of opposition has filed it, and 2 more social activists have filed. But more importantly, we have granted leave for the parents of the victim to file the writ petition. So, what does the Honorable Supreme Court say? To transfer investigation, the court should be satisfied that the investigation is not proceeding in the manner it should proceed, or it doesn't instill confidence on the persons concerned, more particularly the family of the victim. So, state police undoubtedly has been done some investigation. I think picked up 1 person has been arrested till now. Of course, we also read these newspapers. We can't be without. There is a statement from the highest authority of the state stating that some ultimatum has been granted till Sunday. If nothing happens, the state is willing to transfer it to the central agency. That's the statement we read. Maybe right or wrong. That's up to the state to make a submission. What is the assurance you will give to the doctors? The doctors are on strike. They are, as I said, that you can't ignore their feelings. The state missionary should enter into a dialogue with them because it is such a noble profession. The innocent patients shouldn't suffer. It's not that they purposely want to do it, but the incident is so gruesome as portrayed in the press as well as in the writ petitions. Is so gruesome. They are justified. They are justified in a way. How do they express their emotion?